Fox, Spoon TV, I'm Sylvester Chudley. Can this do? Focus two of us are to bring you this live coverage. I'm Sylvester Chudley. We are trying our best to get audio, as the audio is being very terrible due to folks. Try to get the sound set.
Maybe Sheldon's very international is represented as the records. The president is constantly writing this lesson.
Let's say the next section is the president assigned on behalf of the but there's a application for G. Johnson.
So Marsha, you sure was from Dean and Associate because we have on record here a letter from Council Samuel Johnson from the Messi Rallies law firm saying that they did advertently a wrong way to sign on the assignment. We are aware that she used to be a Dean and Associate, but she's at a different law firm. So if that was the law firm you found, and you heard, not doing an associate. So you get what I'm saying? Correct? It's routine and associate. Where is the and associate? Always say that.
It is the same law firm Dean and Associate is not Koffa and Koffa. So, Musa being led law firm to change Koffa.
We are all aware of that. We are pushing the competition and staff and let's do that. We don't know what's in office.
Yeah, we should say office.
Lawyers, counselors, you're also able to gain reports. You're hounded with the report for assignments. You count and hear of cases that have been pending on the packet from 2012 or 2015. The case is called, and you are the party that have more interest in I use that phrase. You sit there and don't even have the office of the president marshal. By now, the party themselves should have been served, knowing that Dean and Associate got no more. And you don't know what is the precedent of this court. If the lawyers cannot be found, and what that the party themselves are served. I think that if you put it in, taking it to Dean and Associate, because of what is happening here, there is this law firm that's registered with the present office. And that one of the most was to Dean and Associate of that whole record of Dean and Associate and that's the battle, being consolidated or merged or master of this merge. That type we will take part is on the case of Sandy and that from Council of Science. Okay, so that But this case was called from Liberia. And upon completion of the investigation, the court observed the absence of counsel to represent the applicant. And can we just be the first applicant? Yeah. Collecting.
The court observed the absence of counsel.
And inquiry form that Marshall, actually Marshall returned. That the team associate Walker were allegedly served. This point was that as per a letter dated April 21, 2025 from the Investigative Reporting and signed by Councilor Johnson Sally. Suggests that it was this law firm that served and not the associate law firm, which was the law firm representing the party in the trial court up to the level of the justice in chambers. Who are now to review. Not only forward into the issue. This was the letter of the investigative partners. This court offering, in fact, offering to aid the court in search of the applicant is from Assequai and Kamau. Focus on the martial and to proceed issue new representation of assignment that would be aid of investigative partners. We therefore serve the party itself. Serve the party that is the applicant itself. This matter is therefore the first notification based on regular notice of assignment from regular notice of assignment. It is hereby so ordered. As suspended. Those absent lawyers are hereby fined the amount of $596. Thank you, Mr. If they are lying and for what, It is called go ahead there. That's fine. Okay.
So, folks, please bear with us as there is no sound system here. There's no sound system. So, we are distance away from them. They are trying their best to have the generator on, to have electricity, at which time we will be able to give you quality sound. But as it stands, there's no electricity now, and the microphones are off. Please stay with us. Now the Bureau Information case is on. Trying the best to manage electricity.
The law and politics are intrinsically interconnected. The former, that is the law, being the tool with binding effect, and the latter, politics, being the activity associated with the governance of the state that relies on the usage of the law to achieve its objectives. This relationship for the purpose of properly governing the state is clearly articulated under Article 2 of the 1986 Constitution of Liberia, which states, and I quote, "The Constitution is the supreme and fundamental law of Liberia, and its provisions shall have binding force and effect on all authorities and persons throughout the Republic." The Constitution, as the supreme and fundamental law of Liberia, is the tool by which the state is structured and governed, and seeing confirms the intrinsic relationship existing between law and politics, and verify that the law is indeed the creator and foundation of politics. When adherence to the rule of law intertwines with political processes, a rare but not unprecedented controversy may arise, one so powerful that its legality reverberates through the very fabric of the nation. Such is the scenario in the present amended Bill of Information and the review proceedings from which it emanates. This amended Bill of Information under review, which finds its genesis, as already stated in the case, in view the constitutionality of certain actions taken by some members of the House of Representatives of the 55th Legislature, unquote, Supreme Court opinion, October 3rd, 2024, exemplifies the delicate nature between statutes and the principles embodied therein, where the issue at hand is not merely one of legal precedence, but one that strikes the core of respect for and adherence to the rule of law. These consequences extend beyond the courts, reverberating into the essence of the fabric of our society and the citizenry. As the Supreme Court renders this opinion and judgment, it is confronted not only with the letter of the law, the court's independence and fearlessness, but also with the weight of public trust. In this moment, justice must be seen not only through the lens of legal text, but as a reflection of the people's spirit, for, and I quote, all power is inherent in the people, and all free governments are instituted by their authority and for their benefit, unquote. The Constitution of Liberia, Article 1, 1986. This is a time when the laws blind